So how do you adjust the light in the screen of your iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Well, if you want to change the light, right, you can swipe down from the top right corner and you can see we have the brightness slider, right? So you can see you can adjust it, right, and just make it go up and down. You can also hold down on it to make it go larger, so perhaps like better precision when the slider or controller is bigger. But below we also have the three buttons for the screen control, which is the dark mode, night shift, and a true tone, so you can play with those as well. True tone will change the temperature of the display to match your environment or like your surroundings. That's pretty useful. Night shift is for the night, which is like the blue light filtering. And also the dark mode switches the white background of apps to dark background, so it's also easier on the eyes. Obviously, you can also change it like later or adjust more settings in the main settings app and a display and brightness where you have like scheduling for those and everything is in here. One last option which I want to show you is part of the accessibility section, and then when you go to display and a text size, at the bottom we have the auto brightness, which is the automatic adjustment of your light in the screen or of your brightness, right? And if you don't want to have that turned on, you can turn it off. But if you do have it enabled, it just means that if you go to a brighter environment with your iPad, the screen brightness will go up. But if you go to a darker, environment, it will go down based on your surroundings as well. So you can choose or play with those options. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.